checkpoint 12.3.2, this is E. So if you look at main method, okay, system out print ln. So be careful, this is not the same as question A. Okay, we are divided by 0. This is integer divisions. So we may have to deal with the arithmetic exception. But here is a double, okay, divided by integer. So it becomes double. In Java, it can be done this way. So it will print infinity, okay. So there will be no runtime exceptions. Okay, it will work. As you can see, it's a build successful. Answer is infinity. Okay. No runtime exceptions. You just print infinity. Okay. If the result of division is double value, okay, it will print infinity. If the division by like here integers, this one will create arithmetic exceptions. This one doesn't. Okay, thank you. That's all.